What is adaptive learning? Adaptive learning. Adaptive learning is an educational practice which uses computers as interactive instructional devices. Computers adapt the presentation of educational material according to students' learning needs as indicated by their responses to questions, tasks, and experiences. The technology encompasses aspects derived from various fields of study including computer science, education, psychology, and brain science. Adaptive learning is a branch of the much wider area of personalized learning. What makes adaptive learning unique is that it's focused on the use of technology to personalize learning. Components of adaptive learning. Expert model. This has information which is to be taught. It stores tutorials, lessons, answers to questions, etc. Student model. This component determines the student's skill level through adaptive testing methodology. Instructional model. This model incorporates tools like multimedia elements. The instructional model generally looks to incorporate the best educational tools that technology has to offer, such as multimedia presentation with expert teacher advice for presentation methods. Instructional environment. The user interface for interacting with the system. Implementations. Distance learning. Adaptive learning systems can be implemented on the internet for use in distance learning and group collaboration. Game design. In 2014, an educational researcher concluded a multi-year study of adaptive learning for educational game design. Game design. The research developed and validated the ALGAE adaptive learning game design model, a comprehensive adaptive learning model based on game design theories and practices, instructional strategies, and adaptive models. Development tools. While adaptive learning features are often mentioned in the marketing materials of tools, the range of additivity can be dramatically different. Popular tools: Adobe Captivate, Camtasia Relay, Qualtrics, Articulate Storyline. Can you memorize what is adaptive learning? Adaptive learning. Adaptive learning is an educational practice which uses computers as interactive instructional devices. For inspiration, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin.